Why is the Fast Lock one of the most popular pure water power products? This is the reason why. Let's take a look at 3 reasons why this tool makes window cleaning easier. First, it features multiple brush capabilities, allowing you to clean windows with 2 different attachments simply by turning the pole. Second, it's a significant time saver. The device is easy to assemble thanks to its fast clips and straightforward design. The Fast Lock can be assembled with multiple brushes in a matter of seconds. Third, this device allows for multiple angles. This is due to the tiny grooves being less than 5 millimeters wide located around the attachment circle. They easily slide along each other to provide the perfect angle. Fourth, it includes a port for the hose from any water-fed pole you may have. This makes it simple to attach to a water-fed brush. With just one tool, you can significantly enhance your window cleaning results. Just add water. Pure water power delivers the tools, you deliver the shine.